How to use Facebook Live. In order to use it, what you can do is you can head over right here and click on this What's in Mind. Then from there, click on this live video. Once you have done that, this will open right around here. Now you can click on this Go Live, but make sure that this privacy right here is changed to public or friends. Just choose your privacy and save that. After that, you can head over and then choose in here any icon. We have in here a flash. You can mute the mic. You can also add in here some stickers as well as some images. Now you can also keep the stickers on the box so comments are easy to read. Then you can also add some effects if you want. You can be a cat. You can use any effects right around here. You can also enhance it and add any text. And then from there, just head over and save that in order to show this right here. Now click on this Go Live in order to go and use it. So that's how you use Facebook Live. Hope we helped.